Welcome back, y'all. We're going to be doing 3.3.13. This is a very simple lab, but it does, on purpose, trip people up that may not be paying the most attention. Okay. So, um, it says install the proper antenna on the roof of each building to accommodate a high-speed wireless connection between them while avoiding sending signals to other buildings in the area. So this is a building we own as like our company. The As an IT worker, this is the company you work for. They own this building and they own this building. You do not want signal. I'm shaking my head and moving my mouse the same direction. You do not want signal to go to this way, to this building, because you don't want to send information to people that don't need it or don't have the best intentions. So I'm gonna click on the shelf. We have high gain antennas, and a lot of times what happens is they include extra items on the shelf to test to see if you're paying attention or if you're detail oriented. The problem is a lot of people try to put these everything in the shelf everywhere, right? And the problem is we don't want these omnidirectional antennas. Omni meaning all, or omnidirectional meaning all directions, right? If God is omnipotent, He is all knowing. We want these directional antennas, antennae, I think is the plural form. And what this does is it sends information in a cone. I'll have to pull up the paint. If we have, I don't know. All right. If we have two antennas, a good drawing, it will send directions or send information in a cone, because I mean, preferably we'd like to send it in a straight line, but because of the nature of light waves or radio waves, it goes in a cone. And the same here, right? But if they were omnidirectional, it would go in all different directions, everywhere, even up and down, left and right, side to side, and everything in between. And that building being there, it will go that way. That is it for the lab. So I'm just going to say, if you're interested in science, the reason why it goes in a cone is called inverse square law, rather than a straight line. And our vision actually works like this. But I'm going to go ahead and score. And that is that. Thank you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.